Sanibona, phinde nginibingelele futhi nanamhlanje kuhlezi nje kwemnandi nenkulu intokozo ukuthi sihlangane ngamazwi kababa ohlala ekhaya ezulwini ngoba ubaba uyathanda ukuthi sazi ukuthi njengoba silapha emhlabeni sihleli nesitha lapha emhlabeni kumele sihlezi sazi ukuthi isitha sifake ziphi noma sibophe safaka ziphi izikhali emaphaketheni ukuze zizolwisana nathi, especially abathanda uJehova, especially abangcwele, ngokuba izwi kaNkulunkulu lithi bhekani isitha senu usathane siyabhonga njengebhubesi sifuna esingamgwinya. So njengoba uNkulunkulu baba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini ebona yonke into ekhona lapha emhlabeni, ebona thina, ebona isitha, uyazi ukuthi isitha siphethe lo hlobo luni lommese, uyazi ukuthi isitha siphethe hlobo luni lomkhonto, uyazi ukuthi isitha siphethe hlobo luni lwehawu, sivikela ngayiphi indlela, sihamba kuyiphi indlela, sithatha le route, sisebenzise le plan, sisebenzise lobuqili, sisebenzise lamazi, sisebenzise le instrument, sisebenzise le item. So njengoba uNkulunkulu ekubona konke lokho, ekwazi konke lokho, nathi uyakathi asibopheni ngampela, siphatheni izikhali zakwamoya ngoba isitha singumoya. Everything lapha emhlabeni ingumoya, so is you, nawe ungumoya. So njengoba engumoya kanjena, asekho isikhathi bantwana baNkulunkulu ukuthi silibele sihlale enyameni, asekho isikhathi bantwana baNkulunkulu ukuthi silibele sihlale sirely kwizinto ezikhona lapha emhlabeni, but let us grow in the spirit so that sizokwazi ukuthi sibe namandla okumelana na wonke amaqhinga omubi lawa awahlelile, lawa awaphethe, lezi zikhali aziphethe. Sazi ukuthi thina kumele sibe naliphi ihawu lokuzivikela, sazi ukuthi thina kumele siphathe umkhonto obukhali kakhulu kunowakhe, sazi ukuthi thina kumele siphathe ummese ololwe kakhulu kunowakhe, sazi ukuthi thina kumele siphathe isibhamu esinezinhlamvu eziwu-10 yena ngoba ezakhe ziwu-5. So sekuyisikhathi njengamanje sokuthi sivule amehlo ethu bantu bakaNkulunkulu, sirealize ukuthi zonke izinto ezikhona lapha emhlabeni, le gama leli, especially when it comes to this word elithi kumele, into yenza ngenxa yalokhu noma kwenzeka ukuthi so you have to do this, lelo gama leli sithe sisebenzise kakhulu kubantu abaningi, selisebenzise kakhulu ezingqondweni zabantu abaningi ukuthi njengamanje you need to drink your sorrows away, because vele abantu abanendaba nawe just rather drink. Amazwi okuhleba lawo esithe hlezi siwahlebela abantu ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi yazibo ukuthi unjani, uyabo ukuthi ukudeserve, ukuthi uyabo ukuthi nje ubuxoshiwe nje emsebenzini, vele uyiphuzele, vele ayikho indaba yakho, vele uyiphuzele ukhona uzuqeda lesi stress onaso, bese uthi hayi nami kumele ngoba ngine stress, kumele ngibheme ngoba ngine stress, ngifuna ukuthi ngiqede leli khanda. Kumele, this word elithi kumele, that's the most dangerous word ongalisebenzisa, because the more ulibele uthi kumele, who said kumele ngampela? Is it God? Ask yourself that question ukuthi is it God othe kumele, you supposed to do that? Cha, akunjalo, akumele ngabe wenza njalo. Namhlanje nje isihloko engifisa sikhulume ngaso sithi ukudla kuyi-addiction. Maningi amaphutha asenzekile kithi bantu lapha emhlabeni, ikakhulukazi ngokuhluleka ukuqonda injongo nenhloso kanye nesizathu sayo yonke indalo kaNkulunkulu. Thina bantu, we lack understanding of each and everything, ukuthi lapha emhlabeni idalelweni, umsebenzi wayo yini, futhi izokwenzani. Fana for an example, a very quick example nje enamandla noma i-example ezoshesha abantu, ezokwenza abantu ukuthi basheshe ba-understand. Kufana with this, you know, that little paper lelo liba ku, let's say uthenga i-ayina noma uthenga iketelo, khona lela phepha leli elibhalayo, elibhala yonke into, wonke ama-instructions ngaleli ayina, libhalwe konke ukuthi kumele uxhume kugesi ongaka, kumele usebenzise kanjeni, igaranti yalo yukuthi nokuthi. Abantu abaningi they do not see the need ukuthi balifunde lela phepha, abasiboni isidingo sokuthi balifunde noma benze anything ngalo, which is where inkinga iqala khona. That is where the problem starts, because when you lack to find an understanding and lesson about a certain thing ozoyisebenzisa ungafundanga ukuthi isetshenziswa kanjani, ungazange ukuthi kumele uyigcine kanjani, uyinakekele kanjani, then that is where you will find yourself at a problem ngoba uzoyisebenzisa wrong, uzoyiplaka kugesi wrong onama-volts amaningi kakhulu ebese kuyabhest intambo yawo noma kubheste i-iron uqobo labo noma kubheste kufe i-engine or whatever ekhona ngaphakathi ngaleso sikhathi, cause awufundanga ukuthi amanzi kulelo ketelo kumele uwafake angafiki ku-max kodwa abe ngaphansi kwa-max noma adlule i-N lento le ekhanyayo yenza ukuthi amanzi ashise. So wena uzovela ufaka amanzi njengekomishi eyodwa kanti awumancane kakhulu ebese iyasha lento. So the lacking of understanding of izinto eziningi ukuthi zifunction kanjani by the creator ozidalile, that is when you will find yourself at a problem. Because only the creator oyidalile lento uyena obeyazi ukuthi okay njengoba ngihlanganisa le ntambo lo earth ngihlanganisa nale ntambo ngenzela ukuthi kwenzeke into kanje and everyone ozoyithenga ngimbhalele all the instructions ukuthi okay leli iron lisebenza kanje, leli ketelo lisebenza kanje, but if lo lithengayo engalisebenzisi ngale ndlela ekumele asebenzise ngayo noma angafundi ukuthi lisetshenziswa kanjena, uzosebenzisa ngendlela yakhe athanda ngayo, which is wrong, ezokwenza ukuthi lisheshe life, ezokwenza ukuthi lingasebenziseki ngendlela right. And then mase selifile bese phinde yakhala futhi ukuthi ayi lezi zinto zamachana zabelungu nanave ibheda, kanti cha, you were instructed in the first place ukuthi read these instructions, read all this paper, but wena uzokubona ngazuthi ku-useless, it's just gonna be wasting your time wena wajwayela ama-ayina, wajwayela amaketelo, ujwayele zonke lezi zinto lezi, kanti cha sekuhlukile-ke kwala, akusekona lokho kujwayela. So kuyiqiniso ngempela ukuthi yonke into inomsebenzi wayo lapha emhlabeni, kodwa abantu izingqondo zabo zisusiwe kuleyo mindset yokuqonda lokho ukuthi konke kunenjongo lapha emhlabeni, kodwa bavele banikezwa inkululeko yokwenza nanoma yini isinoma ikanjani. Everyone has got a freedom to do anything anyhow ngokuthanda kwakhe. You have a freedom to waste your money ngendlela othanda ngayo. You have a freedom to waste your body ngendlela othanda ngayo. You've got all the freedom, but we need to come to an understanding at a certain point, at a certain day lapha emhlabeni ukuthi yonke into inenjongo yayo, yonke into inomsebenzi wayo, yonke into ihlalela ukwenza lokhu ebekelwe kona ngaleso sikhathi kuleyo ndawo. Let us carry on. Imagine ufika emsebenzini, let us say usheshe waqashwa noma it's your first day emsebenzini ejaldini kanje, and mawufika ekseni umntwana wakho ufice yena angakutshela ukuthi kumele usebenze wenzeni, kunalokho athi kuwe ayi ungenza noma yini, you can just do anything noma yini, ebese azi kodwa yena deep down ukuthi uma wakho uyakethanda ukuthi la emsebenzini kuqalwe ngezitsha, kulandele ngama-bathroom, kulandele ngokuthi nokuthi, noma kuqalwe ngembhede, kuqalwe ngokuthi, but because akanendaba nalokho futhi akanendaba nanawe uzothi nah, it's okay, you can just do anyhow, you can just do anything. And lapha ekhaya umama usane-standard, usanendlela afuna ukuthi kwenzeke ngayo at the end of the day, nokuthi ufuna kureachwe yipi i-target nangasiphi isikhathi. So wena ngobubula nangongahlakaniphi, ngokungamshayeli umama ucingo la ezobe khona ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi sacela ukwazi ukuthi yini engaqala ngayo, yini ekuthokozisayo, yini right ne wrong, ebese wenza ngokuthanda kwakho just because the child said you can just do anyhow, that is when you will lose the plot, that is when uzolahleka, that is when uzokwenza wrong. So many people have come to this world bengazi ukuthi yini umsebenzi wabo, bengazi ukuthi yini injongo yabo, bengazi ukuthi bazohlalela ukwenza lapha emhlabeni, but baleka i-understanding yokwazi ukuthi they need to go back to the Father who created them, obadalile, ukuthi babuze ukuthi Nkosi yini ekuthabisayo lapha emhlabeni, yini engidalele yona mina, yini engibekele yona lapha emhlabeni. And by knowing that, that is when you will know what to do and what not to do. But because awufuna ukwazi ukuthi yini kumele uyenze nokumele ungayenzi, uzokwenza ngendlela abantu abakutshela ngayo lapha emhlabeni, uzokwenza ngendlela umzali wakho akutshela ngayo ukuthi asikho isidingo sokunkonzeni uhlale nawe, asikho isidingo sokufunda iBhayibheli uhlale nawe, ngendlela ozwe ngayo, just doing anyhow, but not knowing ukuthi labo bantu may be influenced by isitha, because bona they just do not care. Umzali wakho do not care about the Lord. everyone, especially isitha asinendaba, and sizokhanda show ukuthi nawe awuyenzi intando kaNkulunkulu, kanti uNkulunkulu nazo izinto azithandayo ukuthi zenziwe, unazo izinto azithandayo ukuthi zingenziwa, une-standard sakhe and une-manual yakhe. Yabona la ayina malifika ne-manual ukuthi funda lana, nayi manual yakho muntu, which is the Bible, ukuthi funda lana, because kubhaliwe ukuthi uJehova uthandani, kubhaliwe ukuthi uJehova uzondani, kubhaliwe zonke izinto, but you are going to be influenced to not read the Bible. Bathini iBhayibheli labelungu, nina senabheda kabi nina abaZulu, nisathi inkolo zabelungu nizothatha nizoyiletha la kuthina, thina nje sabaZulu nje thina senza 1 no 2 no 3, bezilahlekisa abantu bengaqondi. Kunento esike singayinaki futhi eyake ingaqondakali kwabaningi, ukuthi yonke into lapha emhlabeni since inomsebenzi yayo. Mangithi yonke into ngibala nomzimba wakho phakathi, nawo unenjongo nenhloso uNkulunkulu awudalele yona ukuze usebenze lapha emhlabeni, okuyilapho iqala khona inkinga, abantu abangabi nalo ulwazi, abanganalo ulwazi lwayo olunzulu nokuqonda kabanzi ukuthi konke onakho wena emzimbeni wakho unako ngasiphi izathu ngempela. Ubokuhlala nje ujula umuntu ukuyibuza ukuthi why vele ngadalwa ngaba nezinzipho, yiphi umsebenzi wenzipho, why ngadalwa ngaba namehlo, why ngadalwa ngaba namashiya, isiphi isidingo sezindlebe. But many people, as much as they know ukuthi okay, umsebenzi wendlebe ukulalela, umsebenzi wamehlo ukubona, umsebenzi womlomo ukukhuluma, umsebenzi wezandla ukuthinta, ukusebenza, ukuthwala, zonke lezi zinto, but zibuza ukuthi are you doing the right and fulfilling purpose ngazo zonke izinto nazo? Ubuka okuright ngamehlo akho, uthinta okufanele ngezandla zakho, ulalela okuyikona kona ngezindlebe zakho? Are you fulfilling i-purpose yakho ngako konke odalelwe kona, nako konke odalwe ngakho? Because zibuza just one question ukuthi if there are people abanganikezwanga lezi zinto enginazo mina, because there are people who've got eyes njengawe but awaboni, there are people who've got ears njengawe but awezwa, there are people who've got mouth njengawe kodwa abakhulumi bayizimungulu. Wena njengoba kwakho kusebenza kahle kangaka, zibuza ukuthi are you doing and fulfilling your purpose ngako yini na? Wenza konke odalelwe kona? Ask yourself that question. So kufana nasekhaya, in a house. Well, before sifike lapho, let us underline, I want to make this quick example. Take it for an example, i-robot. Sonke siyazi ukuthi ama-robots, especially AIs, adalelwe ukuthi enze lento atshelwe yona kuphela. Like for an example, uGoogle uzokunikeza information onayo kuphela, uzokuphendula imibuzo onayo kuphela ama-answer ayo, right? uGoogle and all the AIs and robots zidalelwe ukuthi wena ifunction yakho ukuthi uzowoke, let's say i-robot esebenza esibhedlela, wena nje uzoskena wonke umuntu, izofaka i-information yazo zonke izifo, ukuthi uma uskena umuntu kukhona isifo esiklikha kuwena, wena uyi-robot, siklikhe nasemzimbeni walo muntu, ngale nkathi umskena uzomtshela ukuthi unalesifo esiwukuthi, uzomtshela ukuthi udinga this kind of pill, uzomtshela ukuthi udinga this kind of help, uzomtshela ukuthi udinga ukuthi usebenze kanje kanje. I-robot lisethelwe ukwenza lokho kuphela. It doesn't do anything else. Ngisho ungafika kulona uthi can you please explain to me what is soil, lizokubuka nje, likujamele nje, because lona lazi ama-allergics, lazi ama-antibiotics, lazi zonke lezo zinto. Another quick example, this is a what is it called, this is a blender. I-blender le, umsebenzi we-blender ukuthi ngifake whatever fruits, mangithanda ngifaka ama-veggie lawa afakekayo, and then bese ngiyayi-ona, and then bese ithi dli. Even ngisho ngathiwa ngithanda kangakanani ukuthi ngipheke isitambu, I cannot cook it isitambu lana kwi-blender, otherwise it's going to die, otherwise izodestroyeka, izofa, because its function ukuthi iblende izinto ezithambile ezizokwazi ukuthi zigayeke oh well, if I put all those things engithanda ukuthi ngizifaka, I'm gonna need to put more water. Angeke ngize ngikwazi ukuthi ngifake inyama la kwi-blender, otherwise i-blender izofa. Angizokwazi ukuthi ufake noma yini kwi-blender, otherwise it's going to be destroyed. Same as everything lapha emhlabeni inenjongo yayo, inomsebenzi wayo. You can just use anything anyhow, otherwise you are destroying it. Uyayibulala ngendlela onganakile ngayo, ongaboni ngayo, but wena ngoba ufuna ukwenza ngendlela yakho, ufuna ukwenza ngokuthanda kwakho, that is when you are losing the plot. So njengasekhaya, in a household, nangu umuzi, ekhaya kunombhede, kunosofa, amafriji, microwave, zonke lezi zinto lezi. Umsebenzi wasofa siyazi sonke ukuthi ukuhlala. Umsebenzi wombhede siyazi sonke ukuthi ukulala. Umsebenzi wefriji ukugcina ukudla. Umsebenzi westofu ukupheka. Umsebenzi umshanelo ukushanela, etc. Ziningi lezi zinto, amakhabethe, ukufaka izitsha, zonke lezi zinto lezi. But bear in mind, kuyenzeka uthola ukuthi umuntu usesebenzisa into eyisebenzisela enye into, kodwa lokho kuletha idanger nengozi enkulu. Naku efrijini usuthatha wena ibhodo elishisayo usuyolifaka efrijini, kanti lapha you have to store izinto ezibandayo because i-temperature lapha it's already cold, so you need to put izinto ezi-perishable, izinto ezisheshayo ukuthi zibole, ezidinga ukubanda. So wena usuthatha ibhodo lisuka straight from eziko lisashisa uyoliphosa lapha efrijini, kuzokwenzakalani ngalelo bhodo? It's definitely going to destroy ifriji, lizolimaza this glass, lizolimaza the temperature, kuzokwenzeka ngendlela engafanelekile. Umsebenzi wombhede ukulala, but bear in mind ukuthi abantu embhedeni abalali kuphela, abanye bayahlala. Bear in mind ukuthi umsebenzi wasofa ukuhlala, just sitting, relaxing, watching TV. Kodwa abantu benzani kusofa? They can sleep there, they can eat there, benza nanoma yini abayenzayo. Why? Because abantu sebenza ukuthanda kwabo, which is where i-freedom le esatshalelwa yona singabantu ukuthi you can do anything as you like, ungangenza nanoma yini oyithandayo. Istofu umsebenzi waso, it is to cook, it's for you to cook, but abantu benzani ngezitofu in most cases when it's cold? Bayazotha izitofu, uthola ukuthi uyasona nje isitofu silebele esikhanya khona sizokwazi ukuthi sikusize nani. Umsebenzi omshanelo ukushanela, but you can end up using induku leyo mshanelo ushaye ngayo ingane yakho ebesenze njani bese iyaqhephuka. So in most cases we need to know and understand ukuthi yonke into in as much as inomsebenzi wayo, inenjongo yayo, but abantu ngenxa yokuthi baleke uku-understand ukuthi lezi zinto kumele zisebenzele lokhu nalokhu nalokhu, benza ngokuthanda kwabo, benza ngokukhanuka kwabo, benza ngokucabanga kwabo ngalesi sikhathi. So nasembhedeni imbala, not just you use umbhede ukuthi uhlale, abanye they overdo izinto noma sekungasekho isidingo. Thola ukuthi embhedeni you are just supposed to sleep for certain hours, you need to sleep for at least 8 hours or even less, 7 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours, but ngenxa ukuthi abantu benza ngokuthanda kwabo, umuntu alale for even 15 hours, alale for as long hours, and uthi usuvuka usulala isikhathi eside, usuvuka manje usukhathele, umzimba wakho usubuhlungu kakhulu. Why? It is because you have overdone it. Wenza into engenaso isidingo. Because you are supposed to sleep there for just few hours, khona umzimba wakho uzobuyisa amandla lawo kade wamoshile emini uwalker, lawo kade wamoshile emini usebenza, lawo kade sebenzile emini wenza whatever kade uyenza. You just need to get back to that energy and regain your strength. But when you are overdoing it, usuwenza ngokuthanda kwakho. So since ukwazi ukuthi emzimbeni umzimba wakho uyikhaya lakho noma in your house, wenze ngenye indlela. Emzimbeni wakho usukwazi ukwenza noma ngayiphi indlela. Ekhabetheni usukwazi ukuthi ufake izinto ezingahlala ekhabetheni. Efrijini usukwazi ukufaka izinto ezingahlala efrijini. Kwi-microwave kanjalo, or wenze less or wenze kakhulu. Now let us come back to umzimba lo oyidokodo likaNkulunkulu, because indaba imayelana noNkulunkulu. Let's remember, indaba imayelana nomdali wezulu nomhlaba, indaba imayelana nawe nomphefumulo wakho ukuthi wenzani kuloyo mzimba. Sonke siyazi ukuthi singabantu ukuthi silindeleke ukwenza kahle phambi kaNkulunkulu, umenzi wezulu nomhlaba, kodwa kugcina kungabanga kanjalo. Same as nje ubuwenze ekhaya lakho kumele uhlale kusofa kodwa ugcina ungahlalanga kuphela kusofa, ugcina usuzumekile khona kade ubheka leyo TV, wabuka imuvi kwaze kwaba sebusuku waze wazumekela khona lapho. So amehlo umsebenzi wawo ukubuka, khona uzobona lapho uhamba khona ungeze waqhuzuka endleleni noma walimala. Amehlo umsebenzi wawo futhi it is to show an expression yokuthi kwenzakalani emzimbeni wakho, because if you're not feeling good noma ungekho right amehlo wakho they can change abe bovu. That is when you would realize ukuthi no man, there's something happening, ngiphethwe ikhanda, angikho right, ingqondo yami is not functioning well, look at my eyes aseze ashintshe abamnyama, angilalanga enough, amehlo amaseze ashintsha ababovu. It is to show that and it is to visualize for you, likwenza uhambe endleleni, likwenza urealize izinto, likwenza ubone, because whatever oyibuka ngamehlo akho goes straight to your mind. Whatever ibuka ngamehlo akho it draws something noma ikufundisa something, because you cannot study something ungabukanga ngamehlo akho. You cannot learn something ungabukanga ngamehlo akho, especially if it's gonna be something that is the written, not a spoken thing, because if masekuyiinto ekhulumekile izindlebe zingasebenza as well. So but we live in times whereby amehlo abantu sebabuka ngawo izinto ezinengekayo. Your eyes are supposed to see ukuthi okay, mhlawumbe kunomuntu odinga usizo, yazi mhlawumbe kumele ngabele umakhelwane wami nange edinga usizo, mhlawumbe kumele ngiyomsiza, buka uthwele kanzima, ake ngihambe ngiyomphathisa. But amehlo abantu awasabheki izinto ezibalekile, awasabheki izinto eziwusizo, but umuntu ngamehlo akhe usebheka izinto ezinendaba nayo, usezibhekela ifoni yakhe, usezibhekela laptop yakhe, usezibhekela whatever ethandwa nguyena. But engcole kakhulu indaba ukuthi amehlo abantu sebebheka izinto ezinengekayo, sebebuka amaphoni abantu ngamehlo abo, sebebuka izinto ezingekho right, abuke ama-movie, ama-horror. Le movie eyihorror masuyibukile bese iyagaya engqondweni yakho, lethe isithe sizokuvakashela ebusuku sikutshela ukuthi yabo lento kade yenzeka lapha, nawe you can do it, bese uya-initiate nawe to ubumnyama unganakile. So abantu sebebuka izinto ezinengekayo, and the more you watch izinto ezinengekayo ngamehlo akho, ubuka that porn, ubuka and do all these things ezinyanyisayo ezinengekayo, that is when ingqondo yakho ithola konke lokho okubukayo, because the more you're watching porn uzothi ungasayibukile ebese uyayicabanga leya phone, ucabange laba bantu benza yonke leya mkhuba, ebese masucabanga zonke lezi zinto uzoyinxanela, uzoyihalela, and then nawe you can find yourself doing the same thing. Mind you, ngokubuka kwakho zonke lezi zinto, immediately you are reacting inside, you are reacting in your heart, you are reacting. Fana noma ngamehlo akho uzobuka ingane ikhala, noma ubuke emgcwabeni ingane ikhala ishone lo mawayo, you are going to react ngaphakathi, uzozwela ubuhlungu, umunyu, nawe ungagcina usukhala ngamehlo akho. By what? By something that you have seen with your naked eyes. So everything that you see with your eyes influence your actions in that kind of direction. So amehlo abantu abasasebenzeli ukuthi abuke izinto ezifanelekile, abuke afunde iBhayibheli, abuke afunde izinto izincwadi, izinto abazosizakala ngazo, because whatever you are seeing with your eyes, you are feeding yourself with something, you are feeding yourself with something. Uyadla ngamehlo akho, because whatever uyibukayo uba yiyo, because masuyibukile ihlala la ingqondo yakho, masihlala ingqondo yakho enhlizweni yakho, masihlala enhlizweni yakho into oyigayayo ngaphakathi, into oyigayayo ngaphakathi, and then kuzophuma whatever obekade uyigaya. Mekade wena njalo each and every day uyibukela uzalo, uyibukela all these things, uzothi suma soxoxa nabangani bakho, uzoxoxa ngalo uzalo, uzoxoxa ngale series ade uyibuka izolo, uzoxoxa ngezinto ezenzakala, because whatever oyithathayo uyifake emehlweni akho iya ngaphakathi, ebese izophuma kuphuma okungenile ngaphakathi kuwena. So amehlo akho ayatrappa, ayadonsa. So asizibuza ukuthi ngamehlo ethu senza okufanelekile yini, ngamehlo ethu sibuka okufanelekile yini, because whatever oyifaka ngamehlo akho iya kuwena futhi iyowenza influence ngempilo yakho. Number 2, izandla zinomsebenzi wazo. Your hands have got their actions, wokuqukula, wokusebenza, wokwenza especially izenzo zokulunga. But abantu ngezandla zabo, they are now masturbating, they are now stealing, nokuthi babambe izibhamu babulawe. Their hands now sezisebenzela ukwenza ububi. Their hands now sezishuka insango. Their hands now seziphatha imithi. Their hands now sezibamba izinto ezingcolile, izingulube, sezibamba izinto ezinengeka ngaso sonke isikhathi. People are doing a lot ngezandla zabo. Benza imikhuba, benza izinto, bamba imigodi ebusuku, bamba abantu bayachansa, benza zonke lezi zinto ezinengekayo, futhi bayahlinza, bahlabe, babulale, baqobe abantu. They are doing the worst ngezandla zabo, of which is what not the Lord has created your hands for. uJesu encwadini yakhe uziyasho encwadini kaMateyu ukuthi babusisiwe isandla esiphayo kunesamukelayo, bese uthi uNkulunkulu uthanda umakhelwane wakho njengoba uzithanda wena. So your hands are supposed to ukuthi njengoba usubonile amehlo akho ukuthi kudingeka usizo lapha, use your hands to take that cabbage esefrijini lakho uthathe ulise kamakhelwane, ngoba wena ulisebenzisa, uyalibona futhi ukuthi lizobola because uyahamba ngempela sonto, uyalibona ukuthi lizosala. Take your hands and do the work of the Lord. Take your hands and do into esizayo. Take your hands uhambe uyosiza lapha kamakhelwane mekade kunomcimbi noma kade kushoniwe nani. Take your hands wenze into ezoba nezenzo zokulunga, izenzo ezihle ezizokulethela wena izibusiso. Take your hands usize umama ethwele izimpahla mehle estopini. Take your hands usize umuntu ogulayo ongabone emehlweni, umcathulise uhambe naye endleleni. Take your hands and do izenzo zokulunga. But people are no longer doing that. But their hands are busy with dirt than good. It's about time, people of God, sibuyele eqondeni ukuthi yonke into inomsebenzi wayo ngampela lapha emhlabeni. So your hands mele zibe influence ekwenzeni izinto ezifanelekile. Your hands are supposed to be writing everything oyifunda ngoNkulunkulu. Your hands are supposed to be paging iBhayibheli lakho ufune leyo ncwadi le yaZakhariya because awuyazi nokuthi iKwiTestament lokuqala noma lesibili. Your hands are supposed to be cooking. Uyapheka. Uphekela abazalwane or something like that. Your hands are supposed to be doing the work yokulunga. Uyathatha, uyothenga, uyonikela, whatever. Your hands are supposed to be doing izenzo zokulunga, and by that is when your hands will be blessed. But okwenzayo njengamanje, what are you doing ngezandla zakho? Are you busy on WhatsApp? Busy chatting and chatting, sebenzisa isithupha zakho zibe buhlungu whole day. Busy scrolling and scrolling ngeminwe yakho whole day. Ngezandla zakho ubonile ukuthi umlungu wakho vele unezinto eziningi, unamathawula amaningi. Wenza njani? Uyathatha ushuthe esikhwameni because vele ngiyakaza nake unamathawula u200. What are your hands doing? Ngabe zenza umsebenzi wazo noma zenzani izandla zakho? Ask yourself that question. Izinyawo zakho are supposed to take you to nations ukuhambisa izindaba ezinhle zikaBaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini. Azathi asibopheni izinyawo zethu sifakele izicathulo ezirepresenta ivangeli lokushumayela ngoJehova. But abantu bayaphi ngezinyawo zabo? Aren't they going to taverns? Aren't they going bayobheja? Aren't they going to many places zakamathanda nhliziyo ebumnandini obubabulalayo futhi egcineni kosuku? Izinyawo zakho azisasukumi manje zihambe zenkonzweni. No, not anymore. Even nangosuku lokukhonza, your feet are no longer going to church, but your feet are going to town. Izinyawo zakho ziyaphi? Because you are the one influencing your feet. I want to promise you these people. Ngelinye ilanga ngiyobuzwa ngazo zonke izinto nazo. Uyobuza ngawo wonke ama-material obukade unawo ukuthi wenzani ngawo. Wenzani? Wawasebenzisa yini? Wawenza yini umsebenzi wakho? Like uNkulunkulu ehlezi senze sibonele ukuthi lapha emzimbeni ufana nomuntu ose-office. Okuyathi makufika usuku lomhla kuphela uyobuza ukuthi wenzani. So njengoba ngisho ukuthi izandla zinomsebenzi wazo, amehla nomsebenzi wazo, izindlebe nomsebenzi wazo ukuthi zilalele izindaba ezifanelekile bese ziyagcina zizwe ukuthi okay khona la kumele kukhulekwa khona bese ushona khona. Because whatever you have heard kumele ku-influence-ke ukuthi uthatha mapha ama-actions, uthatha siphi isinyathelo, uthatha yiphi movement. So njengomuntu ose-office enikeziwe na ikhompyutha, wanikeza nalucingo, wanikeza amapeni, wanikeza ngisho i-laptop agoduka naye ekhaya, kodwa wangakwenza lokho noma i-laptop wayisebenzisela ukuthanda kwakho, kuyothi makuphela inyanga kubuzakala ukuthi okay uphi umsebenzi uzothini? Because awucount. Yabo lo uzenzela wona umsebenzi uzenzela wena, it doesn't count. Awucount neze neze. Because usemhlabeni waJehova lapha. If yonke into oyenzayo ingeke izimfaka uNkulunkulu, ayicount. Uthi uJesu encwadini yesambulo 22 verse 12. Bheka ngiyeza masinyane nomvuzo wami unami ukumnikeza yilowo nalowo njengokomsebenzi wakhe. Akasho ukuthi umsebenzi wakho lo wasespa ukuthi umile ngeenyawo zakho, cha. Akasho umsebenzi wakho lo ukuthi mhlawumbe usebenza uthisha umile ufundisa izingane uyifundisa indaba ye-photosynthesis, cha. Akakhulumi ngalo msebenzi loyo. Because lo msebenzi uzuzisa wena kuphela. Utholisa wena lo 15,000 each and every month. Uyazuza ngawo, uyagaina ngawo. But ezulwini abagaini lutho ngalokho. Abagaini lutho ngokuthi wena ufundisa izingane ngokuthi izaga nezisho esikoleni. They are not gaining anything in heaven. So uJesu mase ezowamkelisa wonke umuntu uzokwamkelisa ngayiphi imisebenzi. Fana nase office. Mengabe ungenzanga lutho for the work of umsebenzi. Wanga performa ngendlela okumele uperforme ngayo, ngendlela oqashwe ngayo. Ngeke uzucount wonke lo msebenzi kodwa auto type ku laptop uthaphela ingane yakho. Uyitypela ilokhu njani iseyes esikoleni. Ngeke kuze ku count. Because lokho bekuzuzisa wena, bekuzuzisa ingane yakho, right? So njengoba silapha emzimbeni, silapha enyameni, konke kumele sikwenzele udumo likaNkulunkulu. Ngezandla zakho kumele wenzele udumo likaNkulunkulu. Ngamehlo akho kumele ubuke usize, wenze izenzo zokulunga. Babusise wabona nomhawu ngoba uhawukela. Nakekela abampofu, nakekela izintandane. Ukhuleke ngezindebe zakho, ummemeze ngephimbo lakho, uhlabelele uJehova, umdumise, ushumayele ngezinyawo zakho. Usize, unikele ngezandla zakho, ulalele izwi kaNkulunkulu njalo izintshumayelo ngezindlebe zakho ebese uyenza. Ikona kwamkeliswa lokho. Wathini uJesu shiya abafundi bakhe? Wathi hambani nezizweni zonke nenze abafundi nishumayele ngombuso wezulu. Nibaphendule nibabhabhadise. So ikhona yini into le yashiwo uJesu wena njengoba uyikholo oyenzayo ngezandla zakho njengamanje, oyenzayo ngamehlo akho njengamanje, oyenzayo ngezindebe zakho njengamanje, oyenzayo ngezindlebe zakho njengamanje? Angikhulumi ngokuthi ufike enkonzweni ufike ulalela ukuthi okay izwi lithe umvini namagatsha masihlala uNkulunkulu nawe uyakuhlala kithi, njengoba ngisenkonzweni isho ukuthi ngihlela uNkulunkulu sengiright, bese ubuyela empilweni yakho, ubuyela ekubhejeni uyobheja wena ka Hollywood or wherever. Angikhulumi ngalokho. Ngikhuluma ngezenzo zokulunga, ngezenzo ozenza each and every day, because lapha emhlabeni sizosebenza. Emsebenzini angithi usebenza ngeweekend kuphela. Uqashwe ukuthi usebenze for as long as you can, for 5 days. So kuthina abantu baNkulunkulu ukuthi thina sihlele ukuthi okay uNkulunkulu ngizokusebenzela kanje, Nkosi ngizowenza umsebenzi wakho njalo njengoba ngisebenza nje mina emsebenzini ngiphuma u5, mhlawumbe ngizonikela isikhathi from 8 to 11 ebusuku ngishumela izwi lakho, mhlawumbe ngishumela inkundla zokuxhumana kanje ngidlulisa izwi lakho because nginomsebenzi okumele ungisustain emini. Noma njengoba ngisebenza ebusuku emini ngizosebenzela wena ebusuku bese ngiyasebenza mhlawumbe online ngenzela ukuthi ngithole imali. Ndlela thizeni somewhere somehow there need to be a way la khona uzothi Nkosi nami ngizokusebenzela ngalendlela nangalendlela, because injongo nenhloso kaNkulunkulu ukuthi kuphenduke abaningi. So umsebenzi wethu asibekele wona umdali wezulu nomhlaba ukuthi sisebenzise izandla zethu ukuthi sikufeze lokho, sebenzisa amehlo ethu sikufeze lokho, sebenzisa indebe zethu sikufeze lokho, izindlebe zethu nezinyawo zethu imbala, more especially ukuthi sikufeze yonke injongo nento ethabisa ubaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini. So it all goes back to understanding ukuthi njengoba ubaba esidalele zonke lezi, we need to ask him ukuthi Nkosi lokho sidalele kona thina kumele sikusebenzise kanjani, lokho sidalele kona yini ekuthabisayo nekuthokozisayo thina ngokusebenzisa kwethu. Because amehla akawadelela ukuthi ezoyibukela ama movie lapha emhlabeni. Phele kanjalo yini ozoyizuza ngokubuka ama movie? Tell me yini ozoyizuza? Even when it comes to all your organs ngaphakathi, they all have different functions. Ingqondo umsebenzi ayokucabanga, isisu ukugaya ukudla, amathumbu ukugcina ukudla, isibindi ukuthi sisuse udoti emzimbeni, izinso ziyawudonsa udoti owudlile etc. So but the more people eat anyhow or drink anything, they are slowly and surely destroying all the functions of imzimba yabo. Uma ubhema, you are destroying amaphaphu akho. Uma uphuza you are destroying isibindi sakho. Uma udla kabi udestroya izinso zakho. Eating that junk food ulimaza nenhliziyo yakho, uzidalele isifo senhliziyo. So it all comes back to leya freedom le ephinde yanikezwa abantu ukuthi you are free to eat anyhow, you are free to eat anything, of which it is wrong. You are not supposed to eat anything lapha emhlabeni, because either way khona la izokulimaza khona leyo nto leyo, anything. Now let us go to ukukhuluphala. Well, before we get to that, kunezinto eziningi, as I was saying by the beginning of this video, ukuthi khona izinto eziningi esike sizithathe njengokuthi kumele ngenze ukuthi, kumele, especially uNkulunkulu kade etshala kakhulu enhlizweni yami ngisalungisela ukuthi ngizokwenza le video, ukuthi abanye bathatha izinto ngoku-enjoya, because into uma ngabe u-enjoya, there is more uzosondela kakhulu kuyona, because you are enjoying it, right? Either more uzosondela, uzoyifuna, uzoyilangazelela. Let's say udla ama-chips lawa nje e-R1 noma R2, uwadle uthi usuqedile uwa-enjoy, uthi uwa-enjoy, uze ukuthi uvele ubone ukuthi awadelanga, uhambe uyothenga amanye, kanti they are slowly and surely are destroying you. So iphinde ibuyele ekuthenini uya-enjoy ukulala wena, uya-enjoy ukubuka i-TV wena, usuyohlala kuyibuke for as many hours. Uya-enjoy ukulala wena, usuyolala for as many hours. Usukwenza ngokungenasidingo, usukwenza ngokudlulele lokhu ongakudingi, okungafanele. Uyi-enjoyile ilunch yakho emsebenzini, usuzohlala ke manje usufuna ukuqhubeka uhlale, kanti sesiphelile isikhathi. You need to go back to work, you need to go back to umsebenzi oqashelwe wona. But because you are enjoying ukusamnandi, that is where you are overdoing it. Now let us quickly go to ukukhuluphala. Well, abantu abakhuluphele, talking about laba abakhuluphaliswe amafutha, not laba bazalwe benjalo. No, angifuni ukuya lapho. Ngikhuluma ngalabo abakhuluphaliswe amafutha ngendlela abadla ngayo. Uthola ukuthi umuntu wayeslim emncane, but kwahamba isikhathi wambona washintsha manje wakhuluphala ngezinto azidlayo, edla yonke inhlobo yejunk, edla futhi ngokuthanda kwakhe. Isisu needs a certain and limited amount of food ngesikhathi esifanele. Futhi sihlezi sazi bantu bakaNkulunkulu ukuthi umzimba mengabe ufida, wawufida kakhulu, ufana nomuntu that is charging their phone. Tell me, mengase nje ifoni yakho iku-100% uyicharge, uthi uyayibona futhi 100% uphinde uyicharge, uthi uyayibona 100% uphinde uyicharge, kuzokwenzakalani kuyona? It's going to overheat, because ngale nkathi uyicharge uyifaka ini umlilo, and mase overheater izofa, ibulawa ukuthi uyicharge kakhulu. Because many people uthola ukuthi ifoni yakhe njalo ilale charging, kanti njengokuthi charge meyazi nje 100% you need to remove the charger, but izolale charging, thola ukuthi uyicharge let's say ngo-8 ebusuku, i-charger for 2 hours, ngo-10 isigcwele. Sonke lesikhathi 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 uyozuvuke ngo5 ekseni kade chargeile. Kwenzakalani kuyona? Ayilimali? Ayifi? Lesa abantu bayimangaza ukuthi amafoni abulawa yini, but angike efonini ngisekuthenini you are giving it more than it's supposed to get, you are giving it more than it's supposed to have. Why? Because ulibele uyifaka lokhu ongasadingeki, uyifake umlilo ekugcineni ebese iyafa. So this is what is happening with many people who are overfeeding their bodies noma singekho isidingo. Uthola ukuthi umuntu uthi udla ka7 ngosuku, aze aziqhenye athi mina nje anginaso nje isikhathi sokudla, noma ngavuka ebusuku nje mina ngiyadla, ngavuka ngo1 nje ngiyadla, anginaso isikhathi ngidla nanoma yini noma ikanjani. We must know ukuthi ziningi izinto ezenzeka emzimbeni wakho mengabe udla noma mengabe usudlile. Your body gets busy nengqondo yakho futhi ngokunjalo. Yikho uthi uma usudlile, especially magobe udle kakhulu, ukhathale, uze kube ngazi ukuthi you can just doze off engazuthi ungavele ulale because umzimba wakho usuke udonsa igazi uzama ukusiza isisu sakho with digestion. Same as ingqondo yakho isuke isebenza ngaleso sikhathi. That is why abantu abaningi bayake bathi mawudla idla ufocus ekudleni uze uqede. Mawenza okunye kwenze okunye ufocus kulokho uze uqede. Ungathi ube udla ube wenza any. Why? Because ingqondo yakho isuke ingazi ukuthi kumele ifocus kephi, kumele ifocus ekugayeni ukudla, kumele ifocus ubhizi. No, that is where izingqondo zabantu zilahleka ziphithana. Why? Because now you are not focusing kulokho kumele ngabe ufocusa kukona, and your mind iyalimala ngaleyo ndlela. Enye into ke that is very important, because I always like to underline izinto ezi-spiritual kumele si-understand ukuthi, and this thing ayinakekile kakhulu ngomzimba, ukuthi uyabona njengoba ufana negumbi wena. We all know ukuthi izingane noma zidlala endlini zingakwazi ukuthi zidlale wrong, kuqhamuka ingane yamakhelwane. Thola ukuthi nomona ukuthi nina la ekhaya ne-TV o-80 inch bona kube u-32 inch kuphela. Mase senidlala niyingane lapha ekhaya, i-TV ithi ingane haya siyidonsa le TV noma ingafa nani. Mase sesiyidonsa le TV ebese iyafa, kuzodila nobani? Kuzodila nalo wala ekhaya. Ukuthi wena uthula uthini? Ingane zangaphandle ziyafika ziyadlala la, uthula uthini? So we live in a time and a space lapho khona isitha sihlebela abantu abaningi ukuthi abazibulale kangakanani amalunga emizimba yabo khona bengezokwazi ukuthi bayisebenzise ngendlela. And leya ngane ngaphandle masisithi asibulale iyazi ukuthi yona isana i-TV kubo, iyazi ukuthi yona isazoyibuka, but wena ongeke usayibuka, wena ongeke usayithola loba mnandi lobo kubuka Popeye TV. So isitha sizokuhlebela ukuthi no, ungakudla lokhu, you can eat that, you can eat this. And when you eat it, kulimaza bani? Isitha silimanga ngalutho, asibi nalutho. So this is something that is very spiritual. I pray ukuthi uNkulunkulu asenze si understand lento. It's very, very spiritual. Isitha sizothi you can watch that porn, kanti silimaza singcolisa amehlo akho. Isitha sithi ungakudla lokho kudla, ungaphuza lobo tshwala, kanti buya straight libona ingcolisa isibindi sakho. And the more singcola isibindi sakho, the more singcola, that is when your life gets shortened. Ila impilo yakho incipha khona, yehla kunokuba inyuke, yehla kunoba ikhule. So isitha sikhulumisa nje okwengane, sikhulume nje ngamazi nje amnandi amtoti njengomngane wakho nje meyikhulumela nawe. Sikhulume nje unganaki, wenze nawe, kanti awubona ukuthi usuyalimala because you are just a child now. The fact that abaningi are not intending to grow spiritually, intending to grow ekwazaneni nasekusondeleleni noNkulunkulu ngaso sonke isikhathi, that is when bazohlezi behletshelwa amanga, bavume nabo, kanti lamanga bahletshelwa wona alimaza bona, lamanga bahletshelwa bona alimaza izinto zabo, alimaza ingaphakathi labo, alimaza konke okungokwabo. That is why I said in the beginning noma eqaleni ngathi mina yonke into uNkulunkulu uyayazi, uyayibona, uyazi ukuthi sithe siphethe siphi isikhali. That is why ezama ukuthi nani sondelani kimi khona ngizontshela ukuthi phathani ziphi izikhali khona nizokwazi ukumelana namaqhinga omubi, because uyalwa ulwisana nani each and every day. But if ningezophatha izikhali ezifanelekile zakwamoya, nizohlezi ngiqanjelwa manga, uzohlezi uyitshela ukuthi ku right lokho kudla okudlayo, uzohlezi uyitshela ukuthi right leyo junk, uzohlezi uyitshela ukuthi ngeke uzukwazi ukuphila wena ukudla ongathosiwe, kanti it's slowly and surely killing yourself. It's slowly and surely causing you heart diseases, causing you BP, causing you hypertension, causing you all these things. Wena kodwa ngoba awufuni ukuzwa, awufuni ukunaka, awufuni ukusondela uNkulunkulu ozokuyala ngazo zonke lezi zinto, that is when you are always gonna be destroyed. Uzohlezi utshelwa into ezolimaza wena, and mase silimaze wena, you are the one that is going to suffer consequences kusasa. People think ukuthi ukudla konisi ngalutho. This is a problem with many people. As I was saying, many people think ukuthi ukudla akonisi ngalutho, and akusidali isono. Uyabona njengoba ubaba wethu ohlala ekhaya ezulwini asihlelela ukuthi sidle ini, wasihlelela ukuthi sidle kanjani, Wayesihlelele ngoba azi ukuthi ufuna siphile impilo ende. Wayesihlelele ngoba azi ukuthi ufisa singafinyeleli ezigulweni thizeni. So sifeze futhi esasikuzele naye sidalele kona. But wena ngale nkathi udla okungafanelekile emzimbeni wakho okuzonginciphisa impilo yakho ekugcineni kosuku, awehlulike ngalutho nomuntu okhomitha isuicide. Kuphela wena uzibulala kancane kancane, bit by bit. Let's say uNkulunkulu ukubekele ukuthi uphile iminyaka ewu-90 lapha emhlabeni. Yes. Akuyalo ukuthi idla izithelo nemifino, just like ubaba ohlala ekhaya ezweni wasiyalo ukuthi asidle kanjalo. Because wayesidalele kona. Wazibeka izihlahla ezithela imbewu. Waswathi lokhu nginika ukuthi kube ngukudla kwenu. Lokhu ngininika ukuthi nidle ngakho, niphile isikhathi eside. And we must know ukuthi this kind of food people kukwenza ukuthi uhlakaniphe. So mase sekudalelile wathi idla kanjena, and wena ke uvele uyidlela amagwinya, uyidlela ama-fried, udle yonke inhlobo ye-junk ekhona lapha emhlabeni. Uthi usuna 27 uyafika lapha eklinikhi bathi you have i-blood pressure, une-BP. Ebese ungaphuzi lutho, all these pills nani, and then you die at 40. Tell me, lokhu dalile okubeka lapha emhlabeni ubekubekela iminyaka ewu-90, angithi mase usuphile u-40 ushonephi lo munye u-50? Ushonephi? Udestroywe uwe ngokudla into engafanelekile. Udestroywe, wabulawa, waqedwa nguwe, wafongqwa nguwe kuhle kwephepha, wahliphiza, wahlaba, wahlikiza ngenxa yokuthi wena uthanda ukudla okunosawoti, awukuzwa nje awukuzwakali nje, akuna taste, kumbi lokudla, kodwa ubudalela ukuthi udle into efanelekile engezobulala wena. And we all know, we have done all these studies ukuthi konke lokudla okuyi-junk, even the word junk liyasho ukuthi ukungcola, into edalele noma ehlalele ukulahlwa. So all this junk food, yes, it's so tasty, it's so nice. Pizza, it's so tasty, it's so nice. Burger is so tasty, so nice, but it's full of fat, it's full of sugar, it's full of salt, there's mixture, it's full of chemicals. Zonke lezi zinto ezibulalayo. Bese sithi akudle kumnandi. Uyak-enjoya ngithi? Do it. And kumele sihlezi sazi ukuthi bantu baNkulunkulu into enjoyayo uyakuyona nge-full force, ubuyele kuyona nge-full force njalo. That is where people end up in obesity. Sebekyebile, sebezidula ngokudla izinto ezingafanelekile, izinto ezidale amafutha ngaphakathi, zadala i-cholesterol ngaphakathi, zadala ukuthi umzimba yabo igqishelane, ebese bengasakwazi ukuthi bayisebenzise ngendlela, because the more ugqishelana, the more you are drained and so tired ngaso sonke isikhathi. Umzimba wakho awusekho lula. And one thing bantu baNkulunkulu, especially about ifat noma abantu abafat, abeve bezinyanya, abeve bezenyeza, abeve bezibona bebambi, they're so depressed, kodwa they keep on eating kakhulu nakakhulu. There's this show nje ebakhona ko DSTV, I think I used to watch it, angazi it's 1000 lb, something like that. And abantu laba bafat abakhulu kakhulu, those people lento leya iqala kancane. Athi umuntu ngaqala ngokuthi ngashonela uma wami ngisamncane, and bangihlukumeza ekhaya, wayengekho umuntu engangakhuluma naye, wayengekho umuntu ongangisiza, ngangihlezi ngilonely. So njengoba ngangilonely, into eyayikhona kwakuwukudla. Ngaqala ke ngadla, ngaqala nganikela kakhulu impilo yami, ngidlela amakheke, nganikela impilo yami, ngidlela, ngiphuza udrink every day, ngidla. And manje sebekwi-obesity ngale ndlela ukuthi usekwazi ukudla amakhekhe awu-5 eyedwa. You know those round cakes, alidle lokuqala, alidle lesibili, alidle lesithathu, alidle lesine, alidle lesi-5 eyedwa. Ama-pizza athenge abawu-5 awadle eyedwa. And in that show kuze kwenzeke ngampela, ayidle ngampela into, simbuka uzuthi hayibo mhlawumbe uzosutha, cha alibele shone khona, abuyele abuyele aze ayiqede kuyikhanethi usesuthi. Awuqede wonke u2 liter we-coke yedwa ewuphuza same time. Lento iqale kanjani? Iqale kancane. Isitha sitibele sithi you are lonely. Wedwa, akekho umuntu okufunayo, akekho umuntu okuthandayo. So these things zine-demonic spirits behind, which is isitha. Because amanga lento isitha sikutshelayo ukuthi you are alone. You are not. Where is God? Where is your trust? Liphi ithemba lakho langampela? Because vele abalapha emhlabeni abantu babhizi ney'mpilo zabo. That's the truth. Ubani omele ahleze nakana nawe? Ubani omele ahleze landelana nawe? No. Nomunye umuntu omele asebenzele ukuthi adle naye ngithi. Nomunye umuntu omele enze enye into wena uzolubele ukuthi mina ngedwa nje vele abantu abanendaba nami. Who said that? Mina kubantu abasho kanjalo ngeke ngithi wena yini oyenzayo ke betshengisa ukuthi unendaba nabantu. Because now you do not care. Now babhizi ngesikhathi sakho bebhizi abanye abantu bangakutholi even on calls or something like that. So ayingaso sonke isikhathi you need to always tell yourself ukuthi you are so special ngale ndlela ukuthi abantu they always have to look at yourself. You like spotlight ngaleyo ndlela. Spotlight sideserve uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu odeserve udumo, odeserve ukubabaza, odeserve ukuthi kukhulunywe naye, odeserve ukubonga, odeserve bonke ubungcwele nenkazimulo nako konke. When you are just a body ezosebenza lapha emhlabeni, but you are not working. Ngisitha sikutshela ukuthi asikho isidingo sakho sokuthi usebenze, siki wena wenza wrong kanje and then wena bese wenza njani. Food is an addiction. Food is an addiction. Ukudla kuyi-addiction. Kuyakungena, kuyakujova, kuyakulutha ebese uhlala kona udle kona kakhulu uze uzibulale. Because abantu abaningi aba-understand ukuthi ukudla kuyabulala kancane. Zibuza ukuthi why abantu bephethe u-BP. Iqhamuka phi i-BP? Ayiqhamuki ugwayi. Iqhamuka ekudleni, kuyinto oyifaka la uyidla uyihlafune ngamazinyo akho. Siqhamuka phi isifo sashukela? Siqhamuka ekudleni. Not only mhlawumbe amakhekhe kuphela o-chocolate, no, nasemafutheni. Namafutha adala isifo sashukela. Nosawoti udala isifo sashukela. All these things izifo zidaleka ngokudla. So people do not think ukuthi ukudla kusona esona. Do not think ukuthi ukudla akusoze kwakubulala ngenilanga, kuzokubulala, and you are committing suicide ngokudla ukudla okurong. You are misusing umsebenzi womzimba wakho. Isibindi sakho is supposed to take out the dirt. Yelela aphula mhlambe elingagezekanga kahle. Kumele kuthathe lo doti loyo. But njengamanje isibindi sakho sesimele ukuthi sithathe udoti wotshwala ongazi ukuthi kufakweni kulokutshwala. Njengamanje amaphaphu akho bekumele aphampe asuse lokuyangcwela lokho kwedust manje udlule emgaqweni washaya idust wawuphefumula ngephutha. But njengamanje amaphaphu akho sekumele amele ugwayi obhema uphafuza each and every day aze ahlupheka. Izitho zakho bezimele zimele ukudla okungcolile mhlawumbe ngathi ukupheka kwangena ama-germs ngephutha. Izinto zakho bekumele zidonse lokho okungcola lokho. But manje sekumele zidonse ukungcola konke kwama-chemicals ongawazi ukuthi aqhamuka phi kulamathini lawa adliwa abantu. Sekumele kudonse zonke lezi zinto ezingcolile. Umzimba wakho usiyamisuzeka. And ngokumisuzeka kwawo uyafa. Ngokumisuzeka kwawo uyalimala. And i-lifespan yakho uyayinciphisa kancane ungaboni unganakile. And ukukhuluphala and ukuba fat kufana nokuthi ku-one room ugcwalise izinto eziningi ongazidingi, izimpahla eziningi ezenza indlu ibe ncane ebese kuba nzima even to move around. Ku-one room uthola ukuthi umuntu unombhede, uno-wardrobe, mhlawumbe nje unombhede u-2 futhi, uno-wardrobe, unamakhabethe, une-fridge, unestofu, unamafeni, unosofa, ku-one room njalo. Bese banosofa, bese netafula elide. Njengamanje sekusele ispace sokuthi nje asuke awungena embhedeni, asuke nespace sendishi sesisincane. Why? because uhluleke i-understanding yokuthi angabi ugombela lezinye izinto mhlasimpe bengayithenga amase senendlu enkulu, but ngenxa yokuthi akafuni yena unomona ngale ndlela yokuthi yonke into uyayigxishela, uyayilayisha akasena space njengamanje. Umzimba wakhe noma igumbi lakhe lo one room wakhe awusafunctioni ngendlela efanelekile, usugcina ungasaklinanga kahle, kwaklineka yonke into because yonke into igxishelekile. So le room alisayenzi ifunction yayo, asisakwazi nokuthi lihlalise omunye umuntu, sengena yedwa nosengena nengane yakhe or whatsoever. But egumbini lakho because uhlala emqashweni uwedwa, umbhede nje nestofu nekhabeshana nje elincane lezingubo, nekhabeshana elincane lokudla nendishi yakho namathawula akho sekwanele. Because these are the things that you need, izinto ozidingayo, not izifuno. Kubalekile abantu ukuthi sihlezi sihlukanisa phakathi kwesidingo nesifuno, isidingo nesifuno. Lelo tafula lele segcwele kulo one room ulenzani? Because awulenzi lutho, uma ubuye emsebenzini ubuye isisakaze embhedeni vele. Isiphi isidingo sayo yonke lento le? Gcwele manje kufinqelele nazi nezingubo zigcwele phezulu kwa-wardrobe, awuzisebenzisi ngisho ukuzisebenzisa. How about you take them somewhere else ekhaya kini, because kuno 8 room, hambise zona lezi ngubo usala nezinto ozidingayo. All the things ongazidingi ezingenasidingo, abantu bathanda ukuzilandela njengamanje lesikhathi sesiphila kusona, kodwa izinto abangazidingi, they surely and surely do not need them. And ngokulibele beyigxisha beyifaka kubona, that is when they are draining themselves, because it is umona kubantu abaningi, umona ukuthi into uyayibona ngenxa ukuthi ukudla yakubona ukuthi kugcwele lapha efridgini. You will stuff yourself, udle noma ungasavumi, udle uzifunqe uze kuphume ngamakhala kuhle kwezagwaqa kubantwana baka-Israel ohambeni lwabo. Sebedlela ukuthi ngoba bayabona lento, ngoba nakho uKhisimusi kugcwele amakhekhe, usuzowadla ke uwadle ke. Let us not do izinto ngokuthi kumele, ngoba it's because of the no. Yenze ngoba nakho kunesidingo, idla ngoba nakho ulambile, idla ngoba nakho udinga energy, because umzimba vele uhamba ukhathale, but urestore i-energy ukuthi uphumule udle. So uma uzohlezi unikeza i-energy wena, uzohlezi ukuthi udlisa, wenza njani umzimba? Uyakhathala. Take a look at umuntu wesidudla. Tell me, khona umuntu wesidudla ongahamba i-long distance uzokhathala somehow endleleni? Khona umuntu wesidudla ongagijima i-marathon uzokhathala, ngeke aze afike ngisho ku-1 kilometer, because umzimba wakhe ugcwele, it's so stuffed, ugcwele i-cholesterol, ugcwele i-fats, uyasindwa, it's so heavy. Now izinto ezikhona lapha ngaphansi emzimbeni ayisakwazi ukwenza ifunction yazo. Now ngezandla zakhe akasakwazi ukuqukula, ngeke ngikathele ngaze ngasinda, ma ngikathele kabi. Enye into ukuthi uma unezinto eziningi akubi futhi lula ukuzilahla. Yeah, that's the hardest part. Like umuntu oyisidudla, the fact that you are too big, it won't be easy just to go to gym. Number 1, uzovilapha. Number 2, mhlawumbe ungaqala few days, few months, but you will eventually get tired. And especially when it comes to ukuzila ukudla, it will definitely need a lot of work, a lot of courage, a lot of ukuzikhumbuza ukubuyela emzimbeni wakho. It can take years. Tell me ukuthi ungaba ready yini ukuthi ulwela i-weight yakho, iminyaka ulwela ukuthi ubuyele emzimbeni wakho? No, you will get tired, because nasendlini basesekugcwele kakhulu. Uzoba naso yini isikhathi sokuthi njalo labo plastic uyabaqaqa ngawani uyabheka ukuthi yini engisayidinga, yini engayidingi? You will not have time for that, because kumele uye emsebenzini, kumele ubuye upheke, kumele ulale, kumele emsebenzini, kumele ubuye upheke, kumele ubuye ulale. So konke lokho kugcwalisa la endlini akukusizi ngalutho, kuphela kuzolethela inyoka. You won't have time for that, because you still need to be busy with something else. Izandla zakho samele zisebenze something else, samele ubuke something else ngamehlo akho. So ngeke uzube nesikhathi sokuthi njalo uyojima. So if usahlulwa ukuba consistent in gym for like 2 months, tell me, ikhona yini indlela ukuthi ungabuyela back to umzimba wakho kube lula kanjalo? It's completely impossible. So bantu bakaNkulunkulu masazi ukuthi imizimba yethu nayo inomsebenzi wayo. Yes, sesibisebenzise wrong, sadla okuwrong, futhi sadla kakhulu. But awufuni ukubhujiswa ngenxa yokuthi awuyenzanga into obubekelwe yona lapha emzimbeni. Konke okwenzayo okukwenza ungasondelani noNkulunkulu kuyeke. Like drinking, kuyakukhathaza ngeweekend, usunebhabhalazi, kuyakulahlekisa. Your hands must be ready ngaso sonke isikhathi for okukaNkulunkulu. Whether ukupha, whether ukusiza or anything. Your mouth must be ready to talk the truth of uNkulunkulu. Athi uNkulunkulu ningabalindi. Incwadi yaHezekiah ningabalindi. I think it's abalindi Hezekiah a thing. Sorry, let me quickly check it. Yes, thank you. Hezekiah 33. Ningabalindi. Abalindi uJehova. Athi nikhulume iqiniso kwisikhathi noma ngesona. Shumayela ivangeli kwisikhathi noma ngesona. That is the work for everyone lapha emhlabeni. Because mangabe ulindile ekhaya, mhlawumbe nende umama uyabuya. Uwena omdala okumele uhlezi utshela ingane ukuthi hayibo uma njalo uthe ufuna umfica senigezile sheshana. Uma uyabuya manje. Because umlindile umzali, umlindile umama. So for each and every person osekhulile osehlakaniphile manje, kumele sikhulele laba abangaphansi abangakazi lutho. Because as an eldest, it is your job and responsibility ukuthi ufundise abancane. As umdala ekhaya ungubaba ungumama, it is your responsibility ukuthi ufundise abantwana bakho. Ubafundise idiscipline, ubafundise irespect, ubafundise ukuthi uyakhonza uJehova. It is your responsibility as umzali. Because lezi zingane ziyobuza esandleni sakho, ziyobuza kuwena ngelinye ilanga. Your feet must always be ready to go to that prayer session. Ungadli kakhulu uze unqene ukwenza izenzo zokulunga ngoba uyobuzwa ngalamathuluzi owasebenzisa wrong kanjena. Njengamanje too tired angikwazi ngisho ukukhuluma because amathuluzi akho okukhuluma ukhulume wahleba usuze wakhathala awusenamdlandla ukuthi ungavela ushumayele nje ivangeli lifonini for what? You are too tired. Amehlo akho usuke wasebenza kakhulu emsebenzini, you are too tired. Awufuneli lutho nje ehlangene nefoni. Awufuneli lutho ehlangene nokufunda anything ibhalwe ngamagama because you are too tired. Usebenze kakhulu ngamandla akho ngezinyawo zakho, wawalka a long distance. You are too tired now ukuthi ungashumayela ivangeli kaNkulunkulu. People of God, everything odalelwe yona lapha emhlabeni idalelwe injongo thizeni. Idalelwe ukusebenzisela uNkulunkulu. Idalelwe ukushumayela ivangeli kaNkulunkulu. Idalelwe ukukhazimulisa uNkulunkulu ngazo zonke izindlela. Hlazi sazi ukuthi sisempini. Isisa silwa ngayo yonke indlela. Siyakulwisa sikutshela ukuthi ungadla noma yini. Akulona iqiniso lelo. Siyakulwisa sikutshela ukuthi ungahamba noziphi indlela. Akulona iqiniso lelo. Siyakulwisa because isona siyamazi uNkulunkulu, siyamazi ukuthi uthandani, siyamazi ukuthi uthabiswa yini, siyamazi futhi uzondani. Senze isiqinisekiso sokuthi wena wenza lokho akuzondayo uNkulunkulu so that engeke azakuthanda ezobe engeke azabe seduze kwakho. Senze isiqinisekiso salokho. And uNkulunkulu ngenxa ukuthi uyabona ubuqili baso. Uyabona futhi ukuthi thina sinani. That is why libele siyala kangaka ngemiyalezo yakhe. Elibele ishisa kangaka ukuthi idlulisele kubantwana bakhe because the Lord can realize ukuthi abantwana bakhe abazi kangaka ngaye. Abaqondi kangaka ngesitha. Abaqondi kangaka ngabo. Abantu abaningi they don't know umsebenzi wezandla zabo. They do not know umsebenzi wezinyawo zabo. They do not know umsebenzi wemizimba yabo. Bazothi emzimbeni uma ngiyiphuzele nje ngilengithandayo ngi-right. Mangidlele nje umathanda mangithanda ngihalela ibheke namhlanje ngiyidla sengi-right. You are busy stuffing yourself and killing yourself in the meantime. Naleli gama lethi kumele, you have to do something ngenxa ukuthi kumele, ngenxa ukuthi nginey'nkinga, hayi vele you are killing yourself in the meantime. Isithi sinibele sikuhlebele lawo mazwi lawo ayinkohliso angadingeki. uJehova yasiyala namhlanje ukuthi come back to the Lord. Ezweni laNkulunkulu there's written everything. Yonke into ibhaliwe ngawe. This is your manual. La kubhalwe khona yonke into ngawe. It is about time you read your manual. It is about time you read about yourself. Ukuthi udalelweni. Ukuthi uhlalela ukwenzani lapha emhlabeni. Because umzimba yethu ifana ne-office. And uyobuzwa ukuthi wenzani sasemzimbeni. Uyobuzwa ukuthi wenzani wena ngezandla zakho uphetheni. Wabukani ngamehlo akho uphetheni. Wabuka izinto ezingcolisayo, zangcolisa ngaphakathi lakho wazokhipha ongcolile. Walalelani ngezindlebe zakho, walalela amanga. Wawagcina amanga wahamba ngawo. Because whatever you have blessed into, fana nasemehlweni. Amehlo aya absorb same as izindlebe zakho. Izindlebe zakho zi-absorba kakhulu i-sound. Amehlo akho absorba kakhulu into ebhaliwe. Verbal and non-verbal. Abese ngomlomo wakho uzobusa ukhipha ngaphakathi. Tell me. Mase kuthiwa amakhala akho uyawavala nje. Nomlomo wakho uvaleke. Uzokwazi ukuphefumula? Uzokwazi ukuphila? Definitely ngeke uzokwazi. So people are busy suffocating themselves. Benganakile. Yabonga ululu uzingcolisa uzifaka into engekho right, uyazisuffocate, uyazibulala wena. You are slowly closing your noses. Umuntu seyisidudla kakhulu akasakwazi ngisho ukuphefumula, usefaka lento eyigesi because uyisuffocate yena ngokudla yonke leya junk yazagcwala ya stuff emzimbeni wakhe. Uzisuffocate yena. So you are busy suffocating yourself ngaleso sono libele sigodlile, libele sithanda. Uthi vele kumele ngiphile kanje. Bonke abantu baphila kanjena nje. Kanti kwenziwa kanjani? Ukudla kuyi-addiction nakho. Ukudla kuyi-addiction nakho. So, asithokozise ngoJehova bantu baNkulunkulu. Athi incwadi yamaHubo 1 babusise wabangahambi ngezindlela ngeziluleko zababi, ongema endleleni yezoni, ongahlala enkundleni yamakolodayo, kodwa ukuthokoza kwakhe usemthethweni kaJehova. Yes, siyazi uthokoziswa ikhekhe, uthokoziswa uchocolate. But awusifunde sisibusiso sokuthokoza ngomthetho kaJehova. Kona it's gonna be hard vele. Mawusaqala ungakamazi uNkulunkulu. But as you keep on getting closer to the Lord, you will understand ukuthi kanti uNkulunkulu mkhulu kangaka, uNkulunkulu magalisa kangaka, uNkulunkulu muhle kangaka, uthandeka kangaka. And eventually you will get used to uthando lakhe. Mase usulujwayela uthando lakhe, you will be happy. Uzoba fulfilled ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngothando nje lakhe baba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini. Ngothando nje lakhe umdalo wezulu nomhlaba. Akufuni yini lokho? Awusifuni yini lesi sibusiso? Awufuni yini lolo thando? But the Lord is calling you today. Come back. Stop killing yourself. Yekuzibulala ngaloko kudla. Yekuzibulala ngokuthi umzimba wakho usebenzise ngendlela eronke. Uyazibulala ngokungcolisa amehlo akho. Uyazibulala ngokungcolisa indlebe zakho. Uyazibulala ngokungcolisa umlomo wakho ngengulube. Uyazibulala ngokungcolisa izandla zakho. Ngokuchitha igazi elingenacala. Uyazibulala ngokuthatha inyawo zakho wenza imkhuba. Nyange ngaphansi lakho wenza umathanda wena. Umathanda ulala nalo, umathanda wenza uyazibulala because masukwenzile konke lokho izifo ziza kuwena at the end of the day. Uncibisa eyakho impilo. So stop killing yourself, people of God. You are committing suicide. Ungaboni, unganakile, but you are definitely are. So nje amazwi engathanda ukuthi ngivale ngayo lesi sifundo sethu namhlanje noma amazwi avela ekhaya ezulwini, incwadi yabase-Efesu chapter 6, izikhali zamaKristu. Remember I said isithi siphethe ikhala ngithi nazi-ke amaKristu nabonke abakaNkulunkulu kumele baziphathe nabo. Verse 14. Ngakho yimani izinkalo zenu ziboshiwe ngeqiniso. Iqiniso linguJesu lengwenza intando kaNkulunkulu. Nifake isivikelo sesifuba sokulunga Yabo, it's expected. It is compulsory ukuthi wenze ukulunga because ngokwenza kwakho ukulunga you are protecting yourself. Isitha ngesikwazi ukuthi sikuthole ngoba uJesu uzobe seduze kwakho uma wenza izenzo zokulunga. Izinyawo zigqokisiwe ukulungela kukho ukushumayela ivangeli lokuthula. Your feet must be always ready. So if izinyawo zakho zitholakala zingekho ready mhlasimpe wena ubhizinisi izinto, kwenzakalani? Shuthi isikhali sakho sosilahlile. Kukho konke nithethe isihlangu sokukholwa eniyakuba namandla okucima ngaso yonke imicibisholo evuthayo yomubi. It's compulsory. Because omubi busy iyavutha imicibisholo yacabanga iyavutha. Kodwa udingeka ukuthi njalo wena ube nesihlangu ozokucima ngaso ukuvutha kwemicibisholo yakhe. Isihlangu sibi sokukholwa. You need to strongly believe awukakholwa yazi. Namukele futhi isigqoko sensindiso. Ngabe usindisiwe yini? Nenkemba kamoya eyizwi likaNkulunkulu. Izwi likaNkulunkulu kumele lihlale kuwena. It's compulsory. Because liyinkemba ehlaba inhlangothi zombili. Ngokukhuleka konke nokunxusa nikhuleka ngezikhathi zonke ngomoya kulokho nilinde ngesineke. I repeat, ngesineke sonke nangokunxusela abangcwele bonke. So nazi izikhali. If you didn't know them, nazi izikhali. If uyikhola nazi izikhali. So nje ilezo zindaba nje uNkulunkulu bethanda ukuthi sibe nazo namhlanje ukuthi people stop misusing amathuluzi onawo, misusing your hands, misusing your eyes, misusing ingaphakathi lakho by stuffing yourself, uzi overfeed. Idla makunesidingo, idla mawulambile kuphela. Idla mhlawumbe at least kanye ngosuku. Because you will have energy nangakusasa, you will have energy. But if you're overeating, you are overheating it. You're overcharging yourself. The more you're overcharging, that is where you are killing yourself. More overeater kakhulu. Uyazi overcharge. This is overcharger. Uyafa ngaphakathi. Because nje ibe nani ningakhohlwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyasizonda isono, uNkulunkulu uyakuthanda ubungcwele. Ezinye izinkundla zokuxhumana ukhona uTikTok, Facebook kanye noInstagram. Ningakhohlwa ke ukuthi nidlulisele imiyalezo nakwabanye abadingayo iqiniso likaNkulunkulu, ni-like ne-subscribe so that namanye abantu ba-recommendeke lo myalezo kubona because abantu badinga iqiniso likaNkulunkulu, badinga ukuphulukiswa, badinga ukusindiswa. Jehova uyanithanda, uNkulunkulu anibusise kakhulu, ulihle ithemba lo, nisale kahle.